So here's how to create a Monzo account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to install Monzo app onto your phone. Once you have installed the app, now open the app. After that, you will be able to view the interface like this. Here click on the I am new to on Monzo. Then here you have to enter your email address and hit on the next. Now here you have to click on the open email app, or you can simply go back and just you have to sign into your Google account. If you are already signed into your account, open your Gmail app. Now here you have to go to the account where you have received your email ad. Here you have to click on the login to Monzo app. Moving on to the next step, here you have to click on the next option, then again click on the continue. After that, click on the let's get started button. Now here you have to first select your account type. Click on next. After that, here you have to enter your full name and also you have to enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, click on the next. Now here you have to enter your home postcode and select the country of residency. For now, Monzo is only limited for UK and USA. If you are the one who lives inside the UK or USA, you can successfully create your account here. But if you are outside of these two countries, then you can't be able to sign into your account or create your account here. So if you are residing in these two countries, you have to simply follow the steps to create your accounts. So that's how to create a Monzo account.